The Vice-Chancellor of Baze University, Professor Kathleen Okafor, stated that the institution understands what their responsibilities is within the framework of collaboration that has been established between the FMC and Baze University, noting that the synergy must focus on providing Nigerians with standard medical care.
We understood very clearly what our responsibilities would be and what the focus must be indeed to augment the depleting number of doctors in Nigeria, provide Nigerians with quality medical service. We are aware that our population is growing exponentially, and therefore something must be done. And this was conceived as a small contribution. May look like a drop in the ocean, but it's going to grow. It's like a microcosm of contribution in the national priority for healthcare. Our concern was that the low and income groups in Nigeria contributed and have continued to the process of democratization of this country. Our aim is to provide something different.
Professor Okafor also mentioned that Baze University is passionate about learning to earn, giving assurance to the Minister of State for Health that they will not fail towards seeking innovative medical solutions.
In doing that, Baze University has a passion for learning. That was our concept, that we must learn. Sometimes we say learn to live, but what I tell my founder is we learn to earn as well. And we are dogmatic, passionate about provision of medical care to the people. Honorable Minister, sir, so that is about profound gratitude for today. We must also say that we will not let the Nigerians down in what we have on our plates. We've never let anybody down. All of us are committed, not to the letter of this agreement, but to the spirit that propels all of us today.
On his part, Minister of State for Health, Dr. Tunji Alausa, said the event is historical and is in line with the renewed hope agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
An epoch-making day, and as we continue our journey, Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has directed us as the Minister of Health to rejig, overhaul, and totally revamp our healthcare system, where our healthcare system meets the needs of Nigerians, where every citizen of this country will be able to get meaningful and comprehensive healthcare, which is what Mr. President is committed to. He campaigned for this, on this, as well as multiple things he campaigned on. But now we have a president that is meeting all his campaigns promises to Nigeria. And we also have a president that has a huge passion for health in ensuring that healthcare is comparable. The quality of healthcare received by Nigerians is comparable to what exists in any part of the.
The minister commended FMC and Baze University and urged them to live up to their commitment, reminding them to put the health of Nigerians first at all times.
Commend our legal department. I read the MOU from first page to the last page in detail. It's a fair MOU, and I'm very proud that today this MOU gives the federal government, being represented by FMG, a fair arrangement. And also, it gives this MOU gives Baze University a fair arrangement. And if we live in the spirit of this MOU, we would have a long, amicable relationship now and decades from now. So I am imploring the Baze University team, please, everything you've committed to doing to FMC Jabi, please try and meet all your commitments. And I'm also imploring FMC Jabi via the medical director, through the medical director, everything you've committed to in this MOU, you have to meet all those commitments and those obligations.
Samuel Odi reporting for Global Television.